You must have heard or seen various videos where people say that they launched their products in the UK, USA, Canada, or Australia and made lakhs or even crores of rupees from them. And they say that if you launch the same product, you too can earn lakhs or crores of rupees. But how is all this possible? Just think about it yourself. There, your competition is with Temu, Amazon, and Walmart. There are big sharks like them sitting there. Still, you think, no, I can take them on. Let's see whether you can actually compete with them or not. In this video, I will tell you how to do market research before launching any product. First of all, understand the mood of the market. In the market where you are launching, is there really a demand for that product or not, or has that demand already disappeared? After that, you will check on which websites the product is listed, at what prices it is listed, and whether you can offer it at a lower price and deliver it faster than those prices or not. For example, if you have launched a product that meets a market need where you are offering good pricing and fast delivery, then nothing can stop you from earning millions or even billions. Let's take Temu as an example. What do? They run $1 deals or they offer buy one, get three free. Unbelievable, right? What happens is that they end up grabbing all the customers using drip marketing and various tactics, like suppose you made your first purchase of $5 from them, next time they'll show you such offers and products that you'll spend 50 instead of 5, and then after 50 you'll spend 100. So you also need to create your website or landing page in such a way that when someone visits, they get hooked and don't leave. You should offer such competitive prices and such good delivery and services that they simply don't want to leave your website or landing page. Now, let's talk about SEO. When you are about to launch a product, first do some research using free and paid tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. Research those products to see whether you can actually rank your product or not. How many months it will take to rank, how much money you will need to spend, how many links you will have to buy, how many guest posts you will need to do. Then you should calculate all of these factors. Will you actually benefit from this or not? And only then make your decision. Then after that, we look at ads to see how much reach you will actually get when you run ads and on which platform you will do it. Will it be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, Amazon? Whatever your product is, it's very important to research it before launching. Then you have to see what the targeting for that product is, whether it's for women or for men. What is the age targeting for them? Is that product for Gen Z, for millennials, or for boomers? Accordingly, then you have to